Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to this new topic where we'll be learning Networkdays.International. Okay, as we learned in the last video, Workday.International. So it is almost related to that one only, but here we'll be finding the expected number of days. Okay, for completion. Okay, so both the formulas similar only, but in that we found that the end date of task, but here end date of task will be given. Here we will be finding expected days for completion. Okay, so let's start the network days international. Okay, so first of all we have to understand that what is that network days international formula. Okay, I have given the description, you can check. It returns a expected number of days of a given task. Okay, I will tell you in the detail. Okay, suppose if you are working in an office, okay, and you got a task from your client that, okay, you got a task from a client and he will tell you that I am giving you that, Vicky, I am giving you this task, submit this task on falana date. Okay, he will give you one date to you. Okay, so what you will do, first of all, what you will do, you will suppose if you are starting today, if you got the project today, you will calculate the number of days. Okay, suppose today is the first date. He asked you to submit the submit the task by 10th. Okay, so what you will do from 1st to 10th, what you will do, you will count the number of working days, how many working days are there, and you will think whether this task will get completed in that number of working days or not. Okay, according to that, you either you will work alone or you will take some other's help also. Okay, you will tell your boss that I need one other person or two other persons or three other persons so that we can complete by 10th and we can submit to the client. Okay, so let's start the formula. Okay, see, if you see here, I have already done for you network days international. A15 is start days, B15 is end date, 1 is, as we discussed in the workday.international, that 1 means Saturdays and Sundays, it's a weekend. Okay, and H3 to H5, this one H3 to H5, that is public holidays. Okay, so see, this is the place for your practice. Okay, and I will show you here only, is equal to network days. Okay, don't take this first one, take network days international. Okay, because it will give you whole working days. Okay, as a whole, it won't count Saturday Sunday, but we want with the custom weekend. We can see here with custom weekend parameters. Okay, we want this one. So take network days international always. So see here it will ask you 2 arguments as a compulsion, but 2 arguments as a optional. But for us in the real life, all the 4 are compulsory. Okay, start date will be compulsory, end date will be compulsory, weekend will be compulsory, public holidays will be compulsory. Okay, for us in the real life, all the 4 are compulsory. Okay, okay, so let's start. See, where is our start date? This is our start date, comma, end date. This is our end date, comma. Okay, as we assumed in the last video in workday.international that Saturday Sunday is our holiday. Okay, this is very popular. Okay, so I am taking in this also here only. Okay, Saturday and Sunday as a holiday. You can just press tab or you can type 1 also, no problem, comma, holidays. Take this date from here to here. Okay, just bracket close and enter. See, you will get 14 as a 14 working days. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you here, no need to remember -1 or +1, that I have to do -1 or I have to do +1. Okay, no need to do and no need to remember anything here. Because why? Because see, read this note. I have given you this note. See, important note, network days international includes both start date and end date. It means suppose your start date is 2nd. Okay, so okay, I will tell you like this only. Don't see that you will get confused. Okay, see, it's telling that network days international includes both start date and end date. Okay, see, suppose this is your start date and this is your end date. Okay, so what you have to do, when you will get the task, you will start on this day, so we have to count this date also. Okay, after all the working days, after counting all the working days, we have to count end date also. Okay, on the end date you will be submitting the file by EOD, right? Or by the evening you will submit the file. Okay, so start date and end date, these both dates we have to count. So in this formula, it automatically counts the start date and end date also. Okay, that's why I mentioned there, network days international includes both start date and end date. It counts automatically start date and end date. Okay, so no need to count manually, or no need to do anything -1 or +1, no need to do anything. Just simply apply the formula, that's it, you will get the correct answer. Okay, see, I told you with the help of formula. Okay, now I will tell you manually. So the concept will 100% clear, it will go directly to your mind. Okay, you will understand perfectly. Okay, see, from 2 to 20 we have to count 2 to 20, how many in between working days are there. Okay, so what we'll do, see the calendar. See, from 2 it is Monday, from 20 it is Friday. We have to count from 2 to 20. Okay, we'll count manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as we calculated from 2 to 20, we got 15 as a 15 working days, except excluding Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, but we have to remember one thing, there are some public holidays also. In between 2 to 20 there are 2 holidays, that is 115, second one is 8. But if you see 8 is already a Sunday. Okay, we got the national holiday, public holiday as Sunday only. Okay, so no need to count once again, because we already excluded Saturday, Sunday, so that public holiday also we have excluded, so no need to count once more. Okay, so we have to count this one, 5th as a working holiday. 5th, public holiday. Okay, 5th. So when it is coming on Thursday, okay, it is coming in between our working days. Okay, so from 2 to 20 we got 15 working days, but there is one public holiday also on Thursday, on 5th. Okay, so from 15 we have to reduce 1 day, because it is going in public holiday. So from 15 minus 1, what is 14? So we have 14 working days only. Okay, from 2 to 20, as our client asks you that to submit the task by 20th, so we have 14 working days. Okay, so Excel is calculating like this. Okay, how I showed you. Okay, see, if you count manually, this is the way you have to do, but Excel is giving us inbuilt formula. Just you have to enter the inputs, you will get the output, correct, 100% accurate output. Okay, so no need to calculate manually. Okay, okay friends, so for this video, this much only, and we'll be going to conditional formulas in the next video. Okay, thanks for now, bye bye.